The Honourable Gentleman for Foyle, who isn't here, but I'm sure he's not too far away, referred to be the Republic of Ireland would be the place that we should be looking towards. I'm just going to give you a couple of wee facts about that. In the Republic of Ireland, where he seems to indicate, the Honourable Gentleman seems to indicate, wishes to be, if you want an appointment with your GP, you pay 45 to 60 euros each time. If you have to go to the accident and emergency, well, you pay 100 euros every time you go. If you have to stay overnight in hospital, if you're 16 or over, you pay 80 euros. The cost of living in the Republic of Ireland is 21% higher than it is in the United Kingdom. And I'm not a Big Mac and McDonald's, I don't buy them. But if you want to have a Big Mac, it costs you £2 more in the Republic of Ireland and it does here in Northern Ireland across the United Kingdom. Just examples of that paradise that he refers to, Honourable Gentleman refers to, which isn't a paradise at all. So let's keep things in perspective when we look at the costs.